In this video, let us understand a very special type of motion, and that is called as circular motion. Now, what could be circular motion exactly? Let's understand each with the help of a simple terms. Okay. So when I say about circular motion, one word is very common, and that is motion. Now, what was motion? The very first definition of this chapter or the concept, a body is said to be in motion when it changes its position with respect to its surrounding. Okay, this was about motion. But we have to understand which motion? Circular motion. Now, what could be circular motion? Circular concept से क्या समझ में आता है? Something related with circle. Okay, so a body which is moving on a circular path, or in physics we could say a motion of a body on the circumference of the circle. Okay, when the body is moving on a circular path को क्या बोलते हैं? Circumference. So motion of a body along the circumference of the circle is called as circular motion. उसको circular motion हम लोग बोलेंगे. Okay, so it's very simple as far as definition is concerned. But are there any certain example of circular motion, or are there any practical examples? Yes, there are very few examples. There are many examples. The very basic and the most important is motion of moon around the earth. Of course, we know moon continuously revolve around the earth. This is one of the best example to understand the circular motion. Next motion is motion in a giant wheel. Now, this is the example. A person who is sitting on a giant wheel, he actually performs, or he actually travels that or traces that circular path. So this is also another example of circular motion. So motion of a body on a circular path or on the circumference of the circle को हम लोग circular motion बोलते हैं. Now moving on to the special case of circular motion, and that is called as uniform circular motion. Wait, let's understand. If I break these three words, uniform, circular and motion. Motion we already know. A body changes its position with respect to surrounding is said to be in motion. Circular motion, just now we have understood a circular path. Okay? Motion of a body on a circular path. But when I say about uniform motion, the term uniform means what? We have learned a special case of motion, that was uniform motion. Uniform motion मतलब क्या था? Equal distance in equal interval of time को हम लोग uniform motion बोलते हैं. When a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then such motion are said to be example of uniform motion. बट यूनिफॉर्म कौन सा मोशन चाहिए इधर? यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन चाहिए. अच्छा, इक्वल डिस्टेंस इक्वल टाइम में हम कैसे कवर कर सकते हैं? हाउ वी कैन डू दैट? व्हेन एट एवरी इंटरवल द स्पीड इज सेम. मींस इन यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन वी हैव टू कीप अ सेम स्पीड और अ फिक्स्ड स्पीड, एंड दिस फिक्स्ड स्पीड को हम विल से कांस्टेंट स्पीड. सो मोशन ऑफ अ बॉडी on a circumference of the circle with a constant speed is called as uniform circular motion. हर इंटरवल पे स्पीड क्या होगा? सेम होगा, एंड सर्कुलर ट्रैक पे मूव करने की वजह से such motion is called with fixed speed is called as uniform circular motion. Now children, there is a very particular and a very special case of uniform circular motion. In uniform circular motion, actually direction keeps on changing at every interval, but the magnitude is same. Now what we mean by that? डायरेक्शन कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. हर पॉइंट पे बॉडी को या ऑब्जेक्ट को ऐसा लगता है कि उसका डायरेक्शन चेंज हो रहा है, ओके, बट उसका स्पीड जो है इट विल बी फिक्स. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फिजिक्स ऑफ डायरेक्शन विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ एग्जांपल ऑफ जायंट व्हील. नाउ व्हाट वी फील, द एग्जांपल ऑफ जायंट व्हील में, व्हेन वी सिट ऑन अ जायंट व्हील, we at every moment we feel that we are going to fall. Okay, when we are at the vertical or the highest position, we feel that we'll immediately fall sideways. हम साइड में गिर जाएंगे. When we are on the left or right side, that is on the horizontal path, we feel that we'll fall immediately downwards. But that doesn't happen. हम गिरते नहीं, right, in giant wheel. Why it's so? Why don't we fall? Because in the very next interval, our position gets changed. हमारा position change हो जाता है. The moment we feel when we are on top, we're going to fall, we come exactly on the we change the position, right? When I say we change the position, it is actually the position of the giant wheel gets changed. When we are on the sideways, once again the position gets changed and we reach the down path. So at every interval हमारा speed same रह रहा है giant wheel के अंदर, लेकिन direction change हो रहा है. Okay, this makes sense to understand the concept that at every interval the magnitude will be of course constant, but speed goes on changing. So direction goes on changing. Now what exactly the direction is? ये direction कैसा होता है? In a uniform circular motion, the direction is tangential. Now what is this tangent? A line which is drawn from one point of the circle is said to be tangent. When I am sitting on the giant wheel, I feel that immediately I'll go and the giant will throw me on the sideways. Means if I get thrown out, I'll throw in a way or in the direction of tangent. That is what we feel. So tangential direction मतलब क्या? Will straight will if suddenly if we may fall, हम किस डायरेक्शन में फॉल हो गए या किस डायरेक्शन में गिरेंगे? In exact straight line direction. That is the usual meaning of the concept tangential direction. So this was about uniform circular motion. Well, we have learned about circular motion and about uniform circular motion, which was a very particular case of circular motion. Next is, let's try to understand the velocity of circular motion or of uniform circular motion. Now how we can find velocity? Tell me, what is velocity or what is speed का formula? Speed is equals to distance upon time. तो दो चीज चाहिए, एक time, एक distance. Okay, and for these two things, let us define two terms. One is time. Time के लिए will denote this time by t. So let's say t be the time taken and v be the velocity or speed of that particular object. तो अगर एक ऑब्जेक्ट सर्कुलर मोशन में है या फिर वो सर्कुलर पाथ में रिवॉल्व कर रहा है, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ मून व्हिच इज रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड अर्थ और एन एग्जांपल ऑफ जायंट व्हील, तो उस पर्टिकुलर बॉडी या उस पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट का स्पीड कितना होगा, हाउ डू वी फाइंड दैट, वो पता कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू गो एंड सिट ऑन अ जायंट व्हील, यू कैन एक्चुअली फिगर आउट योर स्पीड बाय व्हाट स्पीड यू आर एक्चुअली मूविंग. You may be wondering how we can exactly say the speed. I am not traveling in a straight line, I am traveling in a circular path. Well, even in circular path we can understand what is speed. How? Let's take this with the help of the formula. What is speed or velocity का formula? The formula is distance traveled upon time. Now tell me, time taken को क्या किससे denote किया हम लोग ने? T से. What is the distance traveled when we are performing circular motion? Exactly the circumference of the circle. And what is the circumference or the perimeter of the circle given by? It is given by 2 pi r. So circumference of the circle के जगह पे will substitute 2 pi r and time के जगह पे will put simply t. So if we know the radius of that giant whale, how far is, let's say it's 50 meter or 100 meter, and by substituting simply the values of pi and the time for which you were in motion, we can easily predict out what could be our speed in that case of uniform circular motion, or most precisely circular motion. So this is how we find the velocity of any object who is performing a special type of motion, and that is circular motion. The formula for that is v is equals to 2 pi r upon t, where r is the radius of that circular path. It can be giant wheel, it can be the earth if we take the example of motion of moon around earth. So that was about uniform circular motion, and the velocity of circular motion. Thank you.